Don't calculate attendance manually anymore. In Excel, you can use VBA automation to everything easy. Just enter P for present and A for absent and your attendance sheet. Run macro. It will automatically calculate your presence and percentage. No manual work, no formulas, just apply VBA code. If anyone need this VBA code, please like this video and comments. I will send you this VBA code. Now start video. How they work. Just uh, apply Alt F8 and run macro. Attendance updated successfully. Now you can see that these are all employee. His attendance, present, show and his percentage are also show. If you can add any more such as Noman and it's P P A P P and again apply Alt F8, run macro. Attendance updated successfully.